In this video, I am going to show you how you can participate in the 50,000 USDT airdrop by Trust Wallet and Pixelverse. Okay, so if you are not part of Pixelverse or PixelTap, okay, so if you are not part of them, I'll leave the link at the description down below and also at the first comment. Make sure you join this project. I am here to create video about Pixelverse or PixelTap. Now let's get into it. If you are new to this YouTube channel, please subscribe, leave a comment at the comment section, join my Telegram channel, follow me on X, and also join my WhatsApp channel. Now let's get into it. All right, so now this is it. Okay, so join our 50,000 US dollars USDT airdrop with Pixelverse game ecosystem. We are offering 2,000 chances to win. All right, so this was posted by Trust Wallet and it was reposted by Pixelverse. All right, so these are the rules. So you need to like this post, you have to retweet this post, then you follow Trust Wallet and you follow Pixelverse. Okay, so I have followed them and I have also followed this as well. All right, so complete simple task in PixelTap and dashboard with Trust Wallet. So make sure to complete both. All right, so this is what we are going to do. What we are going to do is we are going over to the phone. All you have to do is come to the reward section, which is this section. Okay, just come to that section. All right, then click on the task section, which is this section. All right, just click on that task. All right, so you can see we have a couple of tasks over here for me to do, and what we are here for is this. Okay, the 50,000 US dollars giveaway with Trust Wallet. All right, so I am going to click on that. Then you can see it says that what need to do. Okay, what need to do: go to dashboard, complete 3 tasks about Trust Wallet, send a screenshot with completed task to get a reward. So I'm going to do this completely on my phone. All right, but when I click on this, okay, this is what, okay, it has given us the detailed information about this particular quest. Okay, so complete 2 parts to be eligible. So first of all, go to the mini app. Okay, open the bot. So and we went to the task section and Trust Wallet task. Okay, download and connect your Trust Wallet. All right, so we need to connect our Trust Wallet to this. All right, so now all we have to do is just click on start and we will be taken to the dashboard. Okay, Pixelverse dashboard. So those who are new to Pixelverse, I'll leave the link at the description down below, and I'm going to create videos about it, so don't worry about this. Okay, so these are the tasks that we need to perform. All right, so first of all, let's try this first one. It says that subscribe to Trust Wallet. Okay, so click on go and it will be taken to X for us to subscribe to them, and we have already done that, so that's all. Okay, so we are done. Let's go back. All right, so before that, okay, before we click on go to, we should make sure we have Trust Wallet on our phone. Okay, and we have registered an account with Trust Wallet. All right, so the task has been completed already. Okay, so it says that we should retweet the post, so click on go again. All right, so this is the post. Okay, I'm going to on retweet and I'm going to retweet. Okay, repost, go back again. Okay, so you can see 50% done. So we have so let's click on this. We need to like it. I've already liked it though, so I'm going to like it once again, back again. So I have done this. It says that like Trust Wallet announcement on X, join this. Okay, so we have done all these things. Okay, so now let's go back to the app. Okay, so now this is the app. It says that go to dashboard, complete 3 tasks about Trust Wallet and send a screenshot with completed task to get rewarded. Okay, so let's go and open let's go to the dashboard again. Let's go and take screenshot of the task that you've completed. All right, so even though it says 50% completed, but what can you do? We have already done it. All right, so all you have to do is to take screenshots back to the app. Then we click on the attachment, then we select the screenshot, which is this one. Then we click on send file. So we are done. So you can see your result will be checked and approved within 48 hours. Okay, so I'm going to close this. Now back to this, make sure you open this one as well. So we have another 50 here. Click on start. Okay, it says we should connect our wallet. So this is Trust Wallet. Just click on Trust Wallet. Do you have a Trust Wallet account? Yes, I have it. So you have to deposit. You write down your USDT wallet address. So back, let's go to Trust Wallet. Where is Trust Wallet? ST. So yes, this is it. So if you don't know how to create a Trust Wallet account, you just let me know. I'll leave the link at the description down below. All right, so let me search for USDT over here. USDT. So here is it. We want ERC20, so it should be Ethereum. So make sure you choose Ethereum. Okay, look at this. So Ethereum and ERC20. So choose this one. Okay, click on receive. Receive. Then copy the address. We are done. Back to PixelTap, paste it. So that is the information. Make sure it is ERC20. Make sure it is Ethereum. All right, done. So click on made it. All right, your wallet is connected. Gotcha. So click on start. So now we are done with that as well. So let's see. So let's click on this. Okay, it's under review. So we are done with that. Okay, back. Let me go back and see. I showed you how you can participate in Trust Wallet 50,000 US dollars giveaway with Pixelverse. Okay, so all you have to do is to follow exactly what I did. All right, so that is also go to dashboard. We have done that. Okay, I did that on the phone. You sign in tax in Trust Wallet, you go and perform the wallet the tax over there. We have done that. We have connected our wallets to the PixelTap app. We are waiting for them to draw the pool so that we can also get our Trust Wallet giveaway. All right, so thank you for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel, follow me on X, join my Telegram channel, and also join my WhatsApp channel. If you are new to Trust Wallet and if you are new to Pixelverse or PixelTap, I'll leave the link at the description down below and also at the first comment. Let's meet in the next video. Goodbye.